She didn't raise her voice, didn't push, didn't beg. She just walked into the room and everything shifted. Real power doesn't always come with a roar. Sometimes it walks in silently and takes over everything. Some people follow, but a few, they were built to lead. In this video, we're revealing the 3 most powerful zodiac signs and exactly what makes them unstoppable. Let's begin. Number 3, Leo, the natural commander. Leo doesn't ask for the spotlight. The spotlight follows them. They radiate confidence, magnetism, and presence. When Leo speaks, people listen, not out of fear, but admiration. Their power comes from self-belief. They don't lead by force, they inspire. And when a Leo believes in something, they make others believe too. Number 2, Scorpio, the strategic powerhouse. Scorpio is power in its most controlled form. They don't need chaos, they become the storm and then master it. They see what others don't, feel what others hide. Their strength is silent, psychological, and absolute. Scorpios lead from the shadows, with focus, intensity, and precision. When they strike, it's never random, it's final. Number 1, Aquarius, the visionary revolutionary. You didn't expect this one, and that's exactly why Aquarius is number 1. They don't follow rules, they rewrite them. Aquarius reshapes systems, sparks change, and sees possibilities no one else does. They're not driven by ego, but by vision. They lead minds, not crowds. And once they set that vision in motion, nothing can stop them. So, did your sign make the list? Or do you feel that unstoppable force rising in you, no matter where your sign falls? Power isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet, purposeful, unshakable. If this video spoke to you, like, subscribe, and stay close. Because there's more strength written in the stars than you think. And before you go, check the description. 2 gifts are waiting for you. See you next time, and until then, keep looking to the stars.